Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Positions, fixed tab, fixed button, sticky tab and more. Let's start coding. I have created our project file as I did in our previous tutorials. Let's create a div without class first. Lorem 1000. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, all text in our browser. Let's add another div for fixed tab. Fixed tab. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, fixed tab is there. Let's assign a background color. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, fixed tab is there. Let's use fixed button class. Fixed button. Let's assign background color for that one too. BG success. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can change size of browser. Doesn't change. We fix it top side and we fix it bottom side. Let's use sticky tab. I just want to add something middle of that text. Div sticky tab. Let's assign a background color for that one too. BG warning. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, our sticky area. But we can't see because it's under fixed tab. Let me add padding tab for that class. Padding tab 5. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our sticky area. And there are some other options for sticky tab, depend on the screen size. Let me show them for you too. Let's make it disable that one. Let's add another sticky point. Div sticky SM tab. Sticky SM or wider. It means small size screen. Let me add a background for them too. BG warning. Let's put padding tab as well. And let's copy and paste couple of more. Let me change values and backgrounds. Secondary, success, primary, and let's change values to MD, medium, LG, large, and XL, X large or wider. Let's save it and have a look at it. Let me change white of our screen. See guys, just medium one is working. Let's reduce size of our browser. You see guys, small one is working. Let's reduce more and none of them is working. Let's have a look at one more time. We reached the small or wider screen size and it works, sticky area, and we are increasing width of our browser and we reach medium size and we see that sticky. And if we can reach X large screen size, we will see the other options, large and extra large options. Let's activate that one again. Let's save it and have a look at it. Let's move down. Our screen size is medium, so we see that medium sticky tab. Let's change size of our browser. You see our sticky tab has changed. Let's reduce more. You see guys, we see that one. And it is working perfectly. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.